Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you to replace the left door on the Samsung refrigerator. You'll need a few different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power and turn off the water supply to the refrigerator. The first thing that we'll need to do is remove the tabletop cover, which is located here. To remove the tabletop cover, start by removing these 3 Phillips screws. Now, locate the 4 locking tabs indicated by the arrows, pry on them, then flip up the cover. Be careful as it's still connected by wires. Next, disconnect the electrical plug by depressing the locking tab. Now remove the water line from the coupler by pushing the collar in and pulling the water line out. Next, use a piece of tape to secure the door in place. Next, remove the hinge fixer by rotating it up and sliding it out. Now remove the coupler from the door hinge by carefully prying it out of the bracket. Next, remove the door hinge by lifting up on the front, carefully removing the wires and water line, and lifting out to remove. Now, grab the handle, then peel the tape back and support the other side of the door. Next, open the door up about halfway and lift up to remove it from the hinge. If you need a new door or any other parts for your refrigerator, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. When purchasing a new door, they usually do not include any of the accessories like the door gasket, door handle, circuit board, door bins, or the French assembly. Those have to be transferred from the old door over to the new door. To install the door, align the hole on the bottom with the pin on the hinge and set it in place. Next, close the door and reapply the tape to secure it in place. To install the hinge, carefully insert the water line and wires through the slot in the hinge. Now, insert the rear of the hinge into the slot on the refrigerator. Next, align the door with the hinge and push the hinge down. Next, install the coupler back into the hinge by aligning it into the slot and pushing it down. To install the hinge fixer, insert it into the bracket and push it down until it locks into place. Now remove the tape. Next, install the water line by inserting it into the coupler until it bottoms out, then pull on it slightly to make sure that it's secured in place. Now reconnect the electrical plug and make sure that the rubber is sealed properly. Next, flip the tabletop cover down and push on the 4 tabs until they lock into place. Now, reinstall the 3 Phillips screws. With everything put back together, plug the refrigerator back in and turn the water supply back onto the refrigerator. Test everything out to make sure that it's working properly and make sure that there's not any water leaks. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.